We'll vote for you, man.
Stando Saint-Lizéam, Utando Lam, Lucham Saint-Lizéam, Nasonkiskat. Oh, Stando Sam, Rato la Beliaga, Kimuratile Kakaratara Kawena, when I see Joe Boya, precious pretty princess, you deserve to be the precious princess charm. With a smooth boy that green and a fruit, the wise man what you say. I hear one, holy marvelous, gorgeous, so full, see that even vanity and immaturity. Wow, she is marvelous. So beautiful, so pretty, so pretty, so beautiful. Like a big flower preaching on the right time. Like a tiny night on this time. Like a heart on this love, like the Lord is called over the tongue. Oh, she's so beautiful, so marvelous. The control of my strength, the restore of my soul. She prepared me the one, she prepared the color of indigo, rather than black of men. Oh, marvelous. Whoa, 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 whoa. Dear Lord, having you must make me happy million times, and if I leave you, I will find million reasons and questions to love you forever and ever. Oh, the most of beautifulness. Apology to be poor, but don't know my love. We will go to Cape Town one day in a lovely world, just me and you, and how now you feel. Wow, yeah, yeah. Come, my love, let us prove we the nice spot of love, because time will not be yours forever. Sun that set my rise again. I try for to love the sun, then which one will be the darkness? Darkness, oh darkness. She told me that it's over. Yes, indeed, she broke my heart. Yes, enough was enough. I tried to show her love, but she couldn't see it. I tried to apologize, but she couldn't accept it. Enough was enough. She was the marvelous. She'd been betrayed and the perpetrator who betrayed our love. Yes, indeed, she was influenced. She couldn't help it. Yes, she took all this relationship. Neither me and her, we had a entire that we shall not live forever to be. Yes, we shall exist forever to be. But no, no, no. My love, you always be in my heart. The other night, you just bring us all time. Which one is really younger? You take us a really younger. The evening of my sister, so take it on me. I'll try to bring it down and be marvelous. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, the marvelous, so beautiful, so pretty, so pretty, so beautiful. I am and what I am is what I do. I do what I want and I want what I do. All I need is to respect, even though you can say I'm a fool, but the same respect the fool to witness, because the fool will be a fool that is made of a fool. Advise me rather than to criticize me. I am what I am and what I am is what I do. Yes, I am singing. Can't you see that I'm coming? Yes, slowly but surely it will take time to see who I am. I am what I see, and what I see is what I am.